That conversation was also grounding moment sa akin na, okay, so kung ano mangyari bukas, kasi medyo nag-overthink na ako na, hindi, kailangan kong galingan kasi andito na ako eh. But it kept me grounded dun sa idea na I must be present kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon from Mindanao of Philippines
Oo.
to the biggest stage of US.
At nung tatawagin ang winner, you were looking up, you said you were praying. Nung
Yeah.
tinawag ang name mo, lumuhod ka.
Yeah. Kumbaga, yung pagbagsak ko, Miss Karen, was the culmination of like, finally, yung hard work ko, napansin ako, and alam ko sa sarili ko na I am making myself proud dun sa effort na ginawa ko, sa preparation, sa patience, at alam kong yung buong Pilipinas nagbunyi, especially yung Utica na naging hometown ko. Sobrang nila akong minahal na hindi ko makakalimutan na kung paano nila ako in-embrace as an American.
Nung nanalo ka, alam ba ng nanay mo or tinawagan mo siya?
Ang ganda ng experience ko, Miss Karen, kwento ko lang. Kasi sanay tayong manood ng laban ni Senator Manny Pacquiao, yung mga Miss Universe. Kumbaga, as a fan, alam ko yung nag-aantay ka ng announcement. So when I was on stage, I was praying, but I was consciously thinking na for sure nanonood sila mama sa akin ngayon. Sobrang heartwarming, narinig ko si mama.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Na nagsasabi siya ng TV ng I love you. Kumbaga, sarap ng pakiramdam na may mama ka na nagmamahal. Kasi at the end of the day, manalo matalo ka, it's your parents who really loved you. And I have to remind myself to give always honor, pride. Kasi ang hirap maging parent.